Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories. Like to share this video with you. Yesterday I went to see Stamperia headquarters in Budapest and I was gifted with 2 boxes full of their incredible products. Before I start with unpacking, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below under the video so you can see what I will make from this great product. So, what we have here? Wow! It's beautiful paper collection, have name Provence, and when I open in the car I smell that great lavender. So it's really nice product. Then we have a collection which have name Dream, and that inside have a very nice words about dream, so it's also very useful. And then, spring is coming, so yes, all nature is wake up and flowers start to blooming, so let's see how beautiful paper it is. I already know what I will do. And that one, Azulejos de Sueño, it's actually, I translate, and is dream tiles. So I think they are really beautiful. And I think everyone wants to have in home that beautiful tiles on floor, on kitchen, in bathroom. Wow, it's really beautiful. Next to collection is about fantasy and mechanical fantasy and travel to fantasy. All these both are for steampunk projects, and because my son loves steampunk style, I am very excited to do something for these 2 papers. So now we have wooden shape here that will be beautiful for steampunk, for spring, and that decorate all corners, and it's beautiful sign memories. So here we have Magna Carta. Actually it's handmade paper, and it's possible to color that with sprays and also use stamps. So I am thinking to make something like art journal with that beautiful handmade paper. Then we have permanent ink, white and black and white, and we all need some glue, so we have that double tape to glue our project together. So here is Magna Carta, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's beautiful for steampunk also, or mechanical project. Dreams. I have dreams. I always dreaming about do some scrapbooking project. Provence smell lavender, spring blooming, and that's too fantasy. So we have to open our mind and head, and that is really nice decoration for anything. So it's first bags. I try to close because it's not all. I have second bags, and that second bags is also full of surprises. Okay, I have to put into the camera. So before I open, I want to tell I prepare workshop in Abu Dhabi and Dubai next few weeks, and I will let you know soon the date and place you can meet me or sign for the workshop. If you want to know details, please don't forget to subscribe. Sorry, my English. And please let me know in comment what project would you like to make from this great Stamperia product, or what would be a next place you would like to make me a workshop for you. So, other bags. It's great flowers. We never have enough flowers, so I am appreciated I get that 4 packages. Then we have that plastic mold, and we can do different shape with that soft clay. The clay we put into that shape and wait 24 hours, and we get that shape. That shape we can cut, we can color it, so it's a really beautiful product for scrapbooking. Also, we have a little bit thinner plastic mold, and this I find we use with that cream paste. We put on the surface cream paste, and then we push that mold, and we get that beautiful design. I don't know if it's see. Here is beautiful heart. Here is some spring style with some bird. Then we have, oh, it's not see it. Then we had that again heart. It's look like a little bit steampunk with nice words, beauty. And here is just some flowers ornaments, beautiful. Then I have here tools for inking or for tapping color on the project, 2 paste, heavy body paste, and pasta sculptura, and tools for working with them. Then we have mixed media colors, blue, yellow, orange, lila, and dark blue. I think it's very nice for paper I already get. And also we have that mystic ink. It's a very special ink. It can be used for all surfaces, but especially for glass, mirror, or metal. So I'm so excited to work with that products. For a detail about workshop in Abu Dhabi, please follow me info video, and please make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell below under the video, so you can see what I will make from this great product. Many thanks for Stamperia, and also many thanks to you guys who watching this video. Bye bye guys.